Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to my all dear sweet little students. How are you? I hope you're all very fantastic and very happy, right? Are you? Yes. We should be smiling most of the time, right? Okay, that's great. So you all look very happy. That's good. So that means you are enjoying, right? Are you enjoying here? Oh, that is great. Fantastic. Excellent. So when we enjoy, we do things better, right? Okay. So as I told you that we're going to see each other again, right? So we are here again, meeting again, and learning something new, right? Okay, that's great. So this is our English class, right? So remember the last time what we have done in our English class? Does anybody remember, any of you? What did we do? We drew lines, right? Yes, so many lines, different kind of lines. So that's amazing. So now we have to practice on the lines, right? So we have to practice how to write, right? Okay. We have to practice with our develop our fine motor skills, right? Fingers. So as we have to write, we are going to get our hands and fingers ready for that, right? Okay, that's good. Lovely. Okay, show me hands. Show me your hands. That's good. Okay, wow. I hope everybody's hands are clean. Wash. Washing your hands, right? Remember, washing your hands for 20 seconds, then pat them dry, and then sanitize them, right? Lovely. Okay. So we're going to stretch our fingers, make a fist, stretch your fingers, make a fist. Yes. Why? Because it's a little cold. Okay. It's cold outside and we need to get ourselves ready to ride, right? That's good. Excellent, right? So make a fist. Yes. And now round and round, round and round, round and round. Yeah, that's enough. That's good. Good. Good for today. Good. Excellent. So remember, we learned about lines. So first, what we're going to do is we are going to revise all the lines and then we're going to practice a new one today. Right? Okay. Are you ready? Everybody on the screen, can you hear me clearly? Okay, yes, I can see everybody. Everybody's camera is working and it's open. That's great. Excellent. Right. Very good. Okay. So let's start. We are going to revise what we have learned already. So that will be fresh again, right? Are you all ready? We're going to start, right? Okay, that's great. Start. Lines. Horizontal. Straight horizontal line. Thick horizontal line. Thick horizontal lines. Broken lines. Broken lines. Parallel lines. Yay, parallel lines. Straight vertical line. Yes. Wavy lines. Zigzag lines. Curly lines. Diagonal line. Circle line with arrow. That's great. See, we learned a lot about lines, right? So, are you ready to learn about a new one? Yes. So, we practiced the one. Oh, that's great. So, we are going to start, right? So, today, what we are going to draw are the hoops, right? They're also lines, but they are called loops, right? What are they called? They are called loops, loops, right? Okay, that's great. So why they're called loops? Why? Because they are a little different from the vertical standing line and the horizontal line and the zigzag up and down line and the wavy line, right? That even goes up and down. That is a little different from all of those, right? So that's why they are called loops, right? Okay, so that's great. So I'm going to draw the loops in front of you, and then later on, we will practice it on our book, right? Textbook. Got it? Okay, so we are going to start from the dot. Remember, we used to draw the dot, and then starting from the dot, we draw the lines, right? Okay, now let's see what kind of loops we're going to draw. Okay, starting from the dot, going up, curvy line, and going down. Then going up, curvy line, going down. Then go up and curvy line and go down. See, this continues. It starts, this goes up and curve and down, then up and curve and down and up and curve and down, and it goes and goes and goes and goes, right? It goes right, right? So you see there is a letter even like this, similar to this, right? Do anybody remember? Something a letter? Yes, E. E is like this, right? Like these hoops. These are called hoops. Okay, so these are called loops, right? So this has starting point that it goes up, it makes a curve, comes down, and continues, right? Loops continue like this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to practice that, right? Because right now you are starting to write. So before you're going to start writing letters, we are going to prepare our fingers for that, right? And do a little of the practice. That will make us perfect, right? When we'll start writing our alphabets or tracing our alphabets, right? I hope you can draw well. I hope you can write well. So before starting it, we're going to practice a little of tracing, right? So everybody hold up your pencil. Show me your pencil. Yes, everybody has got the pencil. Now, what else do you need is you are going to pick up your book, right? Your alphabet fun. That's great. Excellent. Pick up your book. Okay. And now you're going to open up and come up on the page number 4, right? Okay. Open up your book and come on to the page number 4. There is a box on the page number 4, right? Wow, that's great. And what is the color of that box? Yeah, that is pink in color. And somebody has wrapped it with the ribbon. Yeah, what is the color of the ribbon? Green. Remember the shape we have learned like this? Something like this? What is the shape of the box? It's a 3D shape, and this is a rectangular prism. Yes, you remember that, right? This is a rectangular prism. Wow, excellent. So we have a pink rectangular prism that is being wrapped in a green ribbon. Wow, that is so great. Maybe something has given us a present like this, but what's inside? There are loops inside, right? Can you see them? Lovely lines, a little different from the straight and the vertical, right? And zigzag and wavy, right? They're a little different. So how do they look? Is it easy to trace, or they look a little different? Oh, difficult? Easy, yes. They'll be very easy for you. Okay, so what we're going to do is, now here as well, you can see a red dot. Can you see a red dot? Yes, everybody. Yeah, yeah, there's a big there is a red big dot, right? Everybody can see that. Now, holding your pencil properly, put your book on the table, right? I'm not putting the book on the table because I'm holding it. I have to show it to you, right? So, but everybody has to put the book on the table like this, okay? And sit comfortably. Sit properly, comfortably, and hold your pencil like this, right? Are you holding a pencil like this within these two fingers? Yeah, and you put your thumb here, okay, to make it a grip, right? Very good. Show me. Yay. Excellent. Excellent. So put your books on the table, sit comfortably so you can trace very well, right? That's great. Fantastic. Okay. So everybody, we are going to start from beginning from the red dot. Okay. Now you are going to put your pencil on the red dot. Okay, everybody put your pencil on the red dot. Don't start writing, don't start tracing. Yeah, okay. You just put the pencil on the red dot. Yeah, that's excellent, excellent. Okay, now starting from the red dot, you are going to follow it and start tracing like this. Okay, okay. So teacher is going to say start and then you're going to start tracing, right? Okay, now put your pencil on the red dot. Now, come on, everybody, let's start. Okay, slowly, slowly, put the pencil on the line. Don't go off the line, right? Stay on the line. Down, yay. Okay, that's great. Then up, up, up. Yeah, curve, come down. Yeah, slowly, slowly, slowly. No need to hurry. Right. Okay, that's great. Okay, go up, curve, come down. Yay, excellent. Excellent. Go up, curve, come down. And here we are going to complete. Yay. That is so great. Okay, now everybody, you are going to put your book in front of your camera and you're going to show me that you have completed it, right? Okay. Has everybody completed it? That is so great. Excellent, excellent. Now we have the same loops here as well, right? There is a little different, but almost the same, right? Again, come on, you're going to start from the red dot. Okay, go up, 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 up. Slowly, 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 very slowly. Curve, come down. Again, go up, very slowly, come down. Yeah, very slowly. Take your time. Don't go off the line. Stay on the line. Yeah, everybody stay on the line. Do it slowly. No need to hurry, right? That's great. Okay, now follow the second one to the second one, right? Follow the line and do the second one, right? Slowly, slowly, everybody. I'm watching you all, right? Okay, yes. Everybody, very nice. On the line. Good. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, very nice. Excellent. Right. Okay, that is great. That is so great. That is so lovely. So I hope you have all done that, right? Okay, that is lovely. That is excellent. Right. Okay. So there is another one. Okay. Now everybody on the red dot. Yeah. Now do it yourself. Okay. Now see, you're going up, curve, and then coming down, and then going up, and curve, and coming down. Yeah, excellent, excellent. Come on, come on, come on. Let's do it. Yeah. Okay, that's great. I hope that is easy for you, right? Okay. You're able to do that? Excellent. Wonderful, wonderful. Yay, that is so great. Lovely. Okay, show me. That is so great. Okay, now you have practiced the bigger ones, right? And now what we are going to do is we are going to practice the smaller ones here, right? Okay, so they are in the box. The loops in the box. Now you are going to practice the loops that are in the box, right? Oh, that is great. So I hope you all have covered this, right? The loops and the loops and the loops. That is great. Okay, that's so lovely. So what we're going to do is, right, we are again, our teacher is going to show you how to draw the loops once again, right? So we will do the next page. Okay, so these are the loops. These are the loops. Okay, so they're very easy. Once again, we're going to make big loops, right? Right? We're going to draw big loops, okay? So starting from here, we are going to go up, curve, come down. We will go up, curve, come down. Then we will go up, curve, come down. Right? Now we have drawn big loops, right? Okay, so these are the lines which you call loops, right? So what you're going to do next is you have to do page number 5 at home with the help of your mommy or daddy, right? Whoever is there, you're going to complete this page, right? And this is your homework, right? This is your homework. You're going to write here homework and you're going to put the date, right? It's 6/1 to 2021, right? You're going to write homework and then the date, right? So we will see how you have done your homework in the next class, right? Everybody understood? Okay, that is so great. So this was today's class and we have drawn loops, right, in this class. We have learned a new type of line and they are called loops, right? I hope you have enjoyed it. So before we go, what do we do? So what do we have to do is it's long time we haven't stretched our arms and we haven't done any stretching exercise, right? So what we're going to do is now before going we are going to do a little of the stretching, right? Okay, are you all ready? So yes, we have traced the lines. So, oh, that's great. Yes. Okay, stretch your arms like this. Yeah, that's great. Okay, now we're going to stretch your arms up and down, up and down, up and down, right? Okay, that's great. So we're going to start. We're going to stretch up your arms and then put them down, right? Okay, now let's start, everybody. Are you all ready? Put the pencils down. Put the pencils down. Right. Show me your hands. Yeah, great. Okay. So again, let's start, right? Okay, now 1. Stretch up your arms. Yeah, that's great. Okay. 2. Yeah, wonderful. Right. 3. Good. Good. With the teacher. 4. Yeah, stretch. And 5. Yay! Excellent. Wow. Okay, now we are going to stretch up our arms in the open and shut position, right? Okay, so everybody ready? Put your hands like this. Okay, now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch. Yes, 4 and 5. Yay! That is great. Lovely. Excellent. Okay, that is so great. So this was our English class and we have learned about loops today, how to trace the loops, right? Okay, then I'll see you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye and Allah Hafiz. Okay, right. See you all soon.